Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, you'll learn how to create a text marketing campaign in LeadCenter. This process has 3 steps. First, create a text message template. Next, build a customer segment to target. Then, schedule the campaign. To start, go to the marketing dashboard. Click Templates, then Text. In the Text Template section, create a message that will be sent to your contacts. For example, name the template Market Update Report. You can add a category, like Marketing. In text messages, you can also use shortcodes. For instance, type hello, then insert the first name shortcode from Contact Basic Shortcodes. Copy it, then paste it into your message. Then continue writing the rest of your text message. Next, create a segment, a customer segment you want to target for the campaign. From the green menu, click on Segments. Here you can create customer segments. For example, this segment named Clients has already been created. When editing that segment, you'll see it targets only clients at the Became Client stage. You can add additional criteria to refine the segment if needed. To view the contacts in this segment, click View Contacts. This will show a list of all the contacts who match the segment's conditions. The third step is to go to Text Marketing. Click Scheduled Campaigns, and then click Create Campaign to set up a new campaign. Enter a campaign name, for example, Market Update. The owner and category fields are optional, so you can leave them blank. Click Save to open a campaign designer. From here, select the schedule, choose your segment filter, and pick the SMS template you want to send. So for the schedule, click on it. Let's say the message should be sent on the 17th at 9 a.m. Select the time, then click Apply. Next, select the filter. Choose a saved segment, here, the client segment. You'll see it includes 302 contacts. Click Apply. Then select the SMS template to send. First, choose a phone number to send the message from. Then select the text template. Here, the one called Market Report Update, then click Apply. Now the SMS campaign is set up and ready to save. Click Save, then Save and Publish. The campaign is now published and will be sent at the scheduled time. If you click Back, you'll see the campaign listed, along with the scheduled date and time, and the current status marked as scheduled. So this is how you create a text marketing campaign in LeadCenter. Thank you.